So can ChatGPT draw pictures? Well, as of this article, no. ChatGPT does not draw pictures. However, DALL-E can. And DALL-E is a project of the OpenAI.com team who also developed ChatGPT. And I was experimenting with ChatGPT, and I've been experimenting with it for a while now, in order to create short stories. And while I was using ChatGPT for short stories and other things, I started wondering if ChatGPT could draw images. Unfortunately, at this time, it cannot, but I did discover an AI bot that does, and that's DALL-E. And in using DALL-E, I supplied the following text, which was extracted from one of the short stories that was written in collaboration with ChatGPT. And here's what I gave DALL-E to draw. Here's the text. Using realistic drawn cartoon art style, draw a breathtaking view from a castle's balcony, overlooking a vast expanse of a dense forest, a distant lake with small village nearby, and distant mountains. And it drew 4 pictures, as it typically does, and the pictures are here on screen as I've been talking. These are the results of what it drew based upon that description. So using DALL-E, like ChatGPT, can be a bit frustrating at first. However, over time, you learn what specific words and phrases help ChatGPT, DALL-E, and other AI bots to provide the results that you want. And unlike ChatGPT, DALL-E does not remember previously drawn images from previous text descriptions, at least not in the current version. Version 2 is what I'm talking about in DALL-E version 2. Also, DALL-E, at this point, at version 2, does not support direct image upload as a guide for generating subsequent illustrations, and this might change in version 3. There are several other AI websites that generate pictures based upon text prompts. Here are a few examples. DALL-E, of course, is the one we've been talking about. Artbreeder, which is a website that allows users to create and explore images generated by AI, of course, and users can provide text prompts or combine existing images even to create new ones. Another is Runway ML. It's another AI bot, and it allows you to generate images as well. And then we have Deep Dream Generator. It's an AI that creates surreal and dreamlike images based upon user input, and you can provide text prompts or uploads of images to generate new images. It's important to note that while these AI generated images can be impressive and interesting, they may not always be accurate or reliable representations of the original text. This input text yielded the 4 images that are being shown on the screen. The dense forest is rich with detail. The ground is covered in a carpet of fallen leaves and moss, softening footsteps as a boy and a girl traverse the forest floor. Ferns and wildflowers dot the landscape, adding vibrant pops of color to the greenery. Small creatures like squirrels and birds can be spotted in the branches, observing the young explorer's progress. And for both ChatGPT and DALL-E, wording and wording order does matter. Take the following illustrations, for example. There'll be 4 of them. They're on screen while I'm reading this description that I put in. And note that the illustration of the boy is holding a mop. However, here's what the original text description entered into DALL-E actually was. Bring to life an illustration in an art style that delights children, inspired by the character Pryor. Pryor, a young boy with a mop of brown hair, leads the way with the spirit of determination. He wears sturdy hiking boots, practical outdoor attire, and carries a backpack filled with exploration essentials. And note that in the description of the text it said, boy with a mop of brown hair, but DALL-E interprets it and separates it such that the boy of brown hair is holding a physical mop. The other 3 images that you're seeing on screen here are similar illustrations with the boy holding a mop of some type. And these images are all from the same text that was inputted into DALL-E. So wording does matter, and with practice and experimentation, you can create pictures with DALL-E and other AI picture generating technologies. And that's it for now. Thanks for taking the time to watch and listen, and we'll see you on the next one.